Is it possible to spot a turnaround company on the stock market before shares prices start to skyrocketing? Yes, it's possible. Every time a company gets the attention from all around the globe and start to rise on the stock market, it's because something really simple happened. Let's do some examples.
What happened to Palantir at the time, it was the end of 2022, when they released their first profit quarter, and this is the image, the chart took from the forecaster, and as you can see, exactly in this point, the company released the first quarter in profit, and it was exactly the time when it started to gain on the stock market. The same happened many years ago with Tesla. It was 2018 when the company turned into profit, and that time, exactly that point, was the time when the company started to rise prices on the stock market. Okay, so it's a very interesting point when the company switch from losses to profit, because could be it's not mathematically proven, but could be that the company will rise on the stock market. Let's take, for example, Ultra Clean is a company which appeared just after Zscaler. A company appear in the break-even section when the company report the first profit quarter after at least 5 quarter in loss, with a loss. Okay, so very simple.
Of course, a quarter in profit doesn't mean we have to buy the stock without going deeper in the company analysis. Let's figure out which kind of companies we have to avoid.
Let's go, for example, here, Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company. If we switch to quarterly result, we had the first profitable quarter since many quarter. This is why the company appeared in this special section, which is the break-even section. Of course, we cannot buy shares of this company just because they had a profitable quarter. We have to see the solidity of the company, first of all. And in this case, talking about Goodyear, we can see that the company is not really solid, because we can find an Alt1 Z-score of 1.49, which tell us that the company has an high risk of bankruptcy. So in this case, we can decide not to go further with the analysis, because we have a company which in the last year decreased the Alt1 Z-score, and this is a very bad sign for a company.
Let's do another example, this time a good company example.
Something very interesting we have to do when we analyze this special company that appeared in the break-even section is also to have a look to the sector, to the industry. In this case, we have a company active in the real estate brokerage service business in the United States. It operates a cloud-based platform that provides an integrated suite of software for customer relationship management, marketing, client service, operation, and blah blah blah. Business could be interesting. Yeah, could be. We are in the sector in the technology sector. We have a software company, so the company could be interesting. Let's have a look to the results. The company turned into profit with a very interesting 1.7 billion sales in a quarter, which is a very good result, with a 20 million profit. So interesting. Let's go and see the solidity page, the solidity section, and this company could be interesting, guys, because look, has an interesting trend regarding the Alt1 Z-score. Very important talking about this kind of company, which of course cannot have the same results of Apple and Microsoft. Very important, we have to have a look to the Benisham score. Benisham score, it's a very special score that tell us if the company is rigging their financial statement, and in this case, this company is unlikely to be manipulating its earning, okay?
Let's do another example where we also analyze the chart.
Here we have an interesting company. I'm always looking at company in the technology sector. Olo, this company, is providing a software as a service platform for multi-location restaurants in the United States. Could be interesting. As I told you, the company turned in profit in the last quarter. Alt1 Z-score, very high, 5.29, so low risk of bankruptcy. Have a look to the Benish M-score, nice, because the company is unlikely to be manipulating its earnings. The company, for sure, is very, very low in prices, and this is why it could be a turnaround company. If we go to the overbought and oversold, we find a very interesting situation, guys, because look, the company just had a double low, and our indicator, the Wyckoff, is going up while the company was going down. This indicator is telling us that there are many investors that are buying. There are more investors buying than selling, okay? Let's have a look also to the speed, and we have a very interesting situation in this case, guys, because look, we have the prices which is going down, but the velocity of this movement is decreasing, because look, we have a divergence between prices and the indicator. It means that this could be a turning point, okay? So very interesting. This company is the right choice if we would like to do a bet on the market.
If you like this video, it's an extract of our weekly webinar, an event where we share our trading and investment ideas for the moment. You can find the link in the description, where you also can find the link to the Forecaster terminal, the software we used in this video. It's a very powerful software you can use to analyze all the financial instruments all across the globe. You can try it for free.